I said I was gonna get a grand. There's one in there. Come on, hit it.
Go fireworks, my favorite.
You need to save it. Save it. Yeah. Oh, major. Yes.
First hand pay of the day, baby.
You don't wanna look? Yeah. Oh my god.
Alright, so we're at the Genghis Khan. $12 spin, 10-cent bet.
Alright, here we go. That's our winnings. This is actually a 16,000. So we got some decent balls here. Let's go. Come on. Manny, I'll take that. Come on. Alright, we started with 200 bucks here. There we go. Another 125. Come on. Oh, save it. Right here. Oh. Man, this button's sensitive right there. There's a mini. Oh, man. Come on, we need a minor. Right here. Save it. Yes. All right, here we go. I said I was going to get a grand this weekend. So, come on. Right there. Yes. All right, we're going grand, baby. Oh, there's nothing in there. Come on. There's one in there. Come on, hit it. Oh, shit. There's nothing in there. Oh. Alright, I said I was gonna get a grand. This is it. Alright, this is what we need right here. Come on, let's see if anything's in there. Nothing's in there. Shit, nothing's in there. Hey, we'll take the win though. Not bad. 1,200. Not bad. Good. I'm gonna hit the grand this weekend. I am. I know I am. You got more money? We're not gonna need it. Come on, 387. Not bad. Enough to keep us going. Come on. Playing the $12 where it's been. I tried different D-knobs. Oh, that's a good one. Come on. All right, now we're gonna get a bonus. Hit a 3. Oh, come on. 16 on the hit. Come on. Another one? Yes. Oh, that's good. It's a good one. At least 100 bucks maybe? Oh, 53.
Come on, baby.
Let's go 25. Hit it. Yes, 2 more. Ah. Ugh. Come on, 25. Bring it down to 12. Come on, Genghis Khan. Come on, Mr. Kong. Give me that bonus. 2 more. I think it's so crazy that it doesn't do a noise for the bonuses on these, huh? Oh, that's good. All the way across. 50 bucks maybe? Exactly. Come on. All right, 125. Come on. Another one. Let's go, baby. Come on. 5 more. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. So if I keep saying come on, will they come on? Oh, that's good. 20 bucks. 11. Come on. Let's go to $1. We'll go 15.
Yes.
Oh, geez. Oh, shit, that was a 50. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, my God. Oh, that was a $50 accidental spin. Oh, my God. Another for real wanted. 3. Oh. Man, I really needed that. 1 more. Come on. 15 again. 2 more spins. Tin, tin, tin. Man.
Oh my god.
What'd you get, baby? You got a mini. That's our minis and minors. I thought that was a bonus. What's big money?
I don't know. I don't know what that one is.
What's the big money?
I don't know.
Oh,
Come on.
wild, wild. Come on.
Come on. Bonus.
Oh, so you got bonuses like that, ahorita?
Yeah.
I think if you get all 4 of the same here, it's a bonus too.
Oh.
I think. Come on. Locker.
Come on, lock it.
Oh, there you go. Good job.
350.
350?
376.
376. Get it, baby. This is our first hand pay today. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
All right, we need them all across. Oh. Wild. Good, good, good. Ah. Man, if you get all of them in the front, that's cool.
Bonus.
Come on, bonus.
Ooh, major. Yes. Big,
Big.
big, big.
Wild.
Come on.
Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Come on, bonus. Come on, bonus. Come on, bonus. Ah.
Ah. Bonus. Come on, baby.
Come on. Big money, big money. Come on, big money.
I want you to get that front bonus. 4 of the same.
Right here.
Nothing. Come on. All right, you need a big win now.
Come on. Come on. Got quiet.
Got quiet. I agree. Change the denom. Oh, okay, okay. Thought that was gonna be better. $84. Keep going. Keep it going. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Come on.
Ah,
Gotta go down?
no.
Yes. Ah.
So on the big win, fuck it, try 15 then. Try a different denom. And come on, get the guy. There we go.
Oh
There
my
we
God.
go.
Come on.
Big
Coins.
money, coins,
Coins?
coins. I don't see none.
Ah.
Come on, let's go.
Yes.
There it is.
Come on. Come on. Go up higher. Oh
Uh,
my God. Come on, baby.
otra vez.
Come on, big win.
Go back up, Dino. Go 10.
Come on. Yes.
Big,
yes.
big, 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 big.
Come on.
Coins,
Right here.
coins, 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 coins.
Oh
Ah.
my God.
Come on,
Yes,
big
come on,
coins, big coins.
gosh.
What a blocker.
Coins. Come on, coins.
415. Come on, baby. Let's do it. 15 and 20.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Come on. Coins, 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 coins.
Coins.
What do I do?
It's up to you.
Wow. Yes, come on.
There it is.
Coins, coins, coins.
Oh, yes. Keep it going.
Come on,
Coins.
coins, 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 coins.
Right there. Yes. One more.
Coins,
Coins, coins, coins, coins. Right there.
Right there.
Right there. Oh, yeah. What's big money, though?
You get all of these, I think.
So they don't count as anything. They don't count as anything. It's just like a start. Well, that kind of sucks, though, right?
Yeah, it's like a,
Like a wild.
yeah.
Come on. Bonus. I want that bonus.
Come on.
I want the four in the front bonus. Say, take it out at 5. Huh?
Yeah. Come on, big win, big win, big win, big win.
There it is.
Yes.
Ah, sheesh.
Come on, big win.
Come on. No win there? You feeling it still? Nope. Good job. All right, here we go. Fireworks, my favorite. 2 cents, $17. All right, here we go. 2 cents, $17 bet on a double up. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Right there we got 2. Let's go major. Oh, we got a minor. 400 bucks. All right, let's get another one. Got a minor. Come on. There we go. We're adding up right here on the bottom. Oh, you just found me. I was supposed to go on a restroom break. All right, we need to save it. We need to save it. We need to save it. Save it. Yeah. Oh, major. Yes. Oh, yes. All right. We're hitting grand. Come on. Oh, everything's quiet. Hit.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Hit. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there.
Save it.
Oh shit. We need to save.
Save, save.
Stop.
Save.
Where we at? Where we at? Right there. Right there. Oh no. Fuck. Bottom's done. Right there. Oh jeez. Come on. There we go. Right here.
Fill it up.
Fill it up, baby. We're filling up. Where are we at?
Right there.
Oh yes. There we go. We hitting grand. Come on. Right there.
Right there.
Oh.
That was a 2,000.
That was a 2,000? Oh, right there. Oh man, we have to save it. You ready to save? All right, here we go. Right there. Oh man, hey, that's a good win though. Major, yes. Is that a hand pay?
Might be your first time.
Hey, it is a hand pay. Hand pay, baby. Yep. Right here. Yep. 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 Hell yeah. First hand pay of the day. First hand pay of the day, baby. Woo, go Cowboys. Let's go. Woo, baby. Call the attendant, baby.
Oh my gosh, I
10
don't want to
cents.
look. I
Go.
don't want to look.
You don't want to look? Oh my god. You doesn't want to look. And minor bonus. What's the minor at? I think it was like 200. You almost got the mega.
I don't know what that was on.
Okay, 0 of 5. 5 minor games awarded. Okay, whatever that means. Go for it. All right, come on, wolves, all the way. Yes, just like that. That's good. That's good. Come on. That's 100 hit. Yes.
What?
Oh, okay, that's good too. $100. We got 2 more games. Give me wolves. All right, let's go all wolves. Oh shit. That was it. $200. Not bad. Oh, what does that mean though? Minor and oh, that's how many spins, big.
Oh, I get it.
So if you would have got like the major or the like the mega has 100 free spins.
What?
But you can get to another one. We'll be back.
All right, so this is my first time at the Jackpot Carnival, Buffalo style. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to get this bonus so much. So I don't know what to pick. The Jackpot Carnival feature or the 8 free games Buffalo. What do you think?
Whatever you feel, baby.
All right, I am going to go jackpot feature. I don't know if I did it right or not. I've never played this. Okay. Oh, I think I like this. This will be cool. Big number.
Big.
I saw an orange one. Oh, come on. Give me that one. Give me a big one. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer. Give me the hammer. Oh. Oh, that's all I win. That's all I get. $170.
I should have done the 8 free games.
Yeah.
Congratulations!
$200. This machine's warm though. Let's go 50 on it. Buffalo, buffalo, buffalo. Come on. That's our winnings right there. Let's go 25. Yeah! Oh my god! Yes! Okay, I'm gonna do the 8 spins. We're gonna go 8 spins. At 2 and 5. Let's go Buffaloes, baby. Nothing on it. Re-trigger. Come on. Re-trigger. Oh, come on, Buffalo. This is the first time I play you, and I wanted to play you so bad. Oh, what is that? 10s? But on what? Oh, the 2 wolves. Okay. Oh, I stopped it. Shoot. Re-trigger. Last spin. Wow, no buffaloes whatsoever. $51 win. Alright, here we go. Carnival.
So you make all of that?
Yeah.
Next to it?
Oh, one more. Oh, come on. Hey, it's playing. Let's go 50. Ah, let's get a major in it. Come on. Let's go.
I think it was playing at the other one.
At 16?
25.
I was playing 25 right there.
Oh.
Oh, my card wasn't even ever in. Man. I hate when the cards start doing that. Oh, come on. 16. Yes.
Yes.
Oh. So I think I get a bonus feature on it. I get to play the other one. Hey, it's making some noise though.
Like it. Come on.
50. 50. Oh man. 25. Back to 16.
Come on.
Oh, come on. Last spin. Oh, 24. I have $1. Do we do a 16? Let's do 16. Buffalo, buffalo. Oh. So we got enough spin for a 16. Oh, come on.